What the heck? Come on, you stupid box. Well, I better go make sure Strike isn't hurting himself. Huh? Oi. Huh? Oh, that kind of hurts. Strike, what are you doing? Andrew's gonna be here in a minute, and if you're still in his backpack, he might take you to school. We're not allowed to leave the house, you know. Besides, if we leave the house, how are we gonna get home? We couldn't get lost, for God's sakes. Exia, come on. Do you ever get curious every once in a while? Besides, this is a great opportunity to go see the world. Think of it as an adventure, man. I guess, but we can still get lost, you know. If we do, I'm so gonna kill you. Whatever, Exia. You're not down to do it. Just hurry up and get your sword and let's go. I guess, but I still have a bad feeling about this. Haha, we're all set. Now we play the waiting game. Shut up, dude. Being here with you is already killing me. Can't be that bad, right? Shh, I think he's coming.
When the door shuts, don't worry about me. It's not attention that I want from you. I need you to trust who I'm gonna be, and in everything I'm going to do. 'Cause I'm not afraid of what I don't know, for understanding is all that I yearn. But what is for sure is I'm gonna go, I'm gonna live, and I'm going to learn. And I know there will be mistakes that I will make.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna take a big dump. I think the coast is clear. Yes, it's clear. Okay. I wonder where we are. At school, of course. Didn't you know that by now? That's not what I meant! I meant what part of the school we're at. Well, sorry. You weren't being specific enough. I guess, whatever, man. Hey, Strike. Check out this view I just found. Meh, looks plain. I wonder where all the hot chicks are at here. Yeah, that is something you would say here, Strike. Exactly. Hey, Strike, look over there. Where? Oh, the chairs? No, the book, idiot. Come on, Strike, let's go check it out. Oh, ow, that kind of hurts. Come on, Strike, it's not that bad. Yeah, you say that now, but wait until later. We're gonna have bad legs when we're older. Besides, I already have bad wings. See how flappy they are? Come on, it's not that bad. Fine. Oi. Another high jump. Well, here goes nothing. Oi. That kinda hurt. Come on, Strike, let's go. Okay, here we go. Give me a second. Hurry up, Strike. It's taking me too long. Okay, and here we go. And ow, kinda hurt. Hurry up, let's go. Wonder what kind of book that is over there. Well, we're not gonna find out just standing here. Alright, come on, let's go, Strike. Hey, Strike, are you coming or not? What, need me to hold your hand too? That's all. Oh my god, I got to have this book, man! just a book, Exia. I know. Leave me alone, dude! Well, we better get back to Andrew's backpack. Yeah, and he leaves us here. Don't play around like that, that's scary. Uh-oh. How are we gonna get up there? Well, I don't know. You're the brains in the group. Yeah, I guess. There! We can use that to climb up. Come on, Strike, let's go. Huh! Huh! Ow! Come on, Strike. We ain't getting any younger. I'm coming. Okay, gosh. Okay, Strike. Let's get back in the backpack before Andrew comes back. Or anyone sees us. Shh! Hi! Someone's coming! Yeah, dude, that dump was so big. It was so big. I just can't believe how big it was. No! Andrew! Wait! You're forgetting us! No! Oh, damn it! We're lost! Game over, man! Game over! I blame you, Strike. We're so lost here! Well, look at the bright side. At least we're not in a dumpster, in a furnace, about to be burned, and die. I still blame you for getting lost! Is that Andrew? No, it's just some fat kid. Damn it, I thought it was him. Shh, be quiet, Strike. Gosh. It's Andrew! Come on, Strike. We gotta get into his backpack now. Yay! It's Andrew! Okay, one there. That's it. Okay. And run. Okay, Strike. All clear. Let's go. Okay, Strike. Jump in. Hurry, let's go. Phew. We're safe. Finally, go home. Time for a nap. Hi.